Hi there, this is Marissa, and I have a digital pocket page for you today, which I'll be decorating in Photoshop. I'm using here the Sweetly Spooky add-on to the October Good Life bundle, which can be found at Pixel Scrapper. And I'm just downloading a few things here. And I'm going to start with the items from the Sweetly Spooky kit, since this is a Halloween spread. That is a Halloween themed add-on. So I was just doubling up my canvases there so I can see both sides of the spread at the same time. And I'm going to stick in some October themed items. I filled in my pocket cards first, which is how I usually do it, and now I'm looking for some papers to fill in the rest of the pockets that are still empty. For this one I am using the same papers on both sides so that I have a more cohesive feel to them, since they have the patterns are repeated on both sides. Now I'm just getting some solid papers. There's kind of a lot going on in this spread. I've got some busy patterns and a lot of photos, so I'm going to try to keep things a bit tame by using more solid papers than I usually do. And I think now it's on to the elements. So I have this empty 4x6 area up there on the right side, so I'll fill that with something larger, bigger cluster. And those little candy stickers are cute, so I gotta put them in with Magnus's candy that I ate for him, because I am a very considerate mother. Alright, we just fast forwarded through. I was downloading a bunch of elements which you didn't really need to see, and now I'm layering them a bunch of stuff up here in this empty spot. Now I'll stick in a few little bits and pieces around the rest of the layout, and that will be that. I always got to have my frame there behind the 4x6 photo, which is, I have a pretty standard, since I've been making these videos, I can tell now that I have a pretty standard formula that I do every time I come in to do this. Here the shadow was sticking out over that leaf and was very noticeable, so I released the shadow from its layer so that I could erase that part that was sticking out and making it look unrealistic. I don't usually bother with that, but in that case it was really noticeable over that black leaf, so I did remove the part of the shadow. And that's that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.